We gotta change the knock sensor. That's why I'm running lean. After all of this work. Working on the TPI, rebuilding everything, all the sensors, except for the knock sensor. So the knock sensor will make it run lean. I didn't know. So now, we gotta try to figure out how to get that broken one off from there. It's not gonna be fun. Figure it out. Yeah. Woohoo. Alright. So, got the 2 bolts out. Trying to see if that gives me enough room. I don't think it will. Might have to undo the wires from that. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Finally got some movement out of this thing. Barely. Yeah. You know what I didn't think about either? Is how much oil might be sitting in this thing. Come on, turn, you freaking thing. Turn. Okay. Finally got it worked loose enough to where I can finally do it by hand. Now, I don't know if there's any oil behind here. I don't think there is. But I do not know. Oh, yeah. There was oil. Oh, that's not... What the freak would that? Smell like stinky water. We did it. Never use an impact on starter bolts. That is now completely shattered. Way to go. Yeah. Alright, let's see if it starts. Oh, yeah. Look at that, man. Well, it's 100% the knock sensor, dude. This thing's running like a scalded dog. It's running good. Running really good.